Good day everyone, my name is Jackielou B and I'm going to tackle about light waves and flame test. But before we go into the exact topic, let's move first to the flame test. Materials that I use is ethanol alcohol, watch glass, and lighter. So let's start. So first thing to do is go to the place where it's not crowded and put the watch glass to the floor and the ethanol alcohol to the watch glass. So let's observe. So as we can see to the fire, it have a blue color and orange. The blue color, which is the copper, and the orange is calcium chloride. Learning objectives: to learn about light waves, to learn the 7 colors of rainbow, and to learn wavelength. Let us answer these 3 questions. Wavelength measures the length of an individual wave in meters. Scientists describe the electromagnetic spectrum as a long line. At one end line radio waves with the longest wavelengths and lowest frequencies in the spectrum. A single radio wave has the length of a football field. After radio waves comes microwaves, which produce more energy due to shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies. Cell phones, radio, and microwave ovens use microwaves. Next is infrared light. The sun, fire, living creatures, and other heat sources all produce infrared light. While we cannot see infrared light, we feel it as a heat. Visible light occupies a narrow slice of the electromagnetic spectrum, nestled between infrared and ultraviolet light. Red wavelengths have the lowest frequency and the longest wavelengths of visible light. As you move from red through orange, yellow, green, blue, and finally violet, wavelengths shorten and frequencies increases. From visible violet light, we move into ultraviolet frequencies. Human skin produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet light, but excessive ultraviolet light causes sunburns. Next is X-rays, which pass through soft tissue but not denser materials such as bone, making them valuable for medical tests. X-ray also have security applications such as airport, baggage, and checks. Gamma rays produce even shorter wavelengths, higher frequencies, and more energy. In comparison to the football field size wavelengths of radio waves, gamma ray wavelengths are as small as atom nuclei. When do you usually observe rainbow? The geometry of raindrops causes rainbows to appear. Incident rays of light enter the drop and are refracted inwards when the sun shines from behind us into the rain. The dividing of sunlight into its constituent hues is achieved through refraction. When rainbow appears, what acts as prism separating the deep colors of white light coming from the sun? The white light is divided into its component colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet as it passes through the prism. Dispersion is the splitting of visible light into its various colors. Conclusion: wavelength measures the length of an individual wave in meters. Wavelengths shorten and frequencies increases. The 7 colors of rainbow increasing order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So that's all. Have a good day everyone. Bye!